You sorted data in Excel 100 times, but only one way. Top to bottom, vertical lists, ascending or descending, standard stuff, right? But what if I asked, have you ever sorted your data from left to right? And if you have, you've likely jumped hoops, transposing your data, sorting it, transposing it back. Exhausting, isn't it? What if I told you there is a smarter, cleaner way to sort your data left to right? In this video, we will look at two simple ways in which you can sort your data left to right without touching transpose. Let's dive into the area of Excel which not many people have explored. Let's look at this data which is laid out horizontally. This data is sorted in ascending order IDs. We will sort this data in the ascending order on multiple parameters. First, by using the Excel 365 function SORTBY, and then by using the sort option in the data ribbon. Let's look at sort by first. We will sort the data in the ascending order of the regions. In the cell B8, let's write the sort by function. The first parameter is array, and we will select the data from B1 to K4. The next parameter is by array1, which means what is the data on which you want to sort the entire data. Here we will select the regions, which are in cell B2 to K2. The next parameter is sort order 1. We will write 1 to sort in an ascending order. Close the bracket and press enter. And you can see the data has been sorted in the ascending order of regions. In case you want to first sort on region and then for each region sort on descending order of units sold, you can do that too. We will edit the formula and provide values for sort array 2, which are the cells B4 to K4. And the sort order 2 will be descending, so we will provide -1. And there you can see the result. We first have the data sorted on ascending order of regions, with data for east to the left side and data for west towards the right side. And for each region, their units sold are in descending order. So this is how you can sort data left to right using the sort by function. Now let's look at sorting the data using the sort button in the data menu. I will begin by selecting the data. Just the data and not the headers. I will go to the data menu, click on sort, click on the options button and select sort from left to right. Press OK. In the row we will select row 2, sort on should be cell values and order should be ascending. Press OK. And you can see the data is sorted in the ascending order of regions. Similarly, if you want to do a multi-level sorting, you can do that too. With the data selected, click on the sort button. You can see that the data is already sorted based on regions. We will add another level and select row 4 for units sold. Since we want to display the units sold data in descending order, we will select the option as largest to smallest. Press OK. And you will see that the original data is now sorted in ascending order of region and then by descending order of units sold for each region. So this is how you can sort data left to right using the sort button in the data menu. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with any question or topic you'd like us to cover. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, Analytics Success, for more tips and tricks on Excel and data analytics. Thanks for watching.